the Daintree trip. The trip up to the Daintree, actually.
We're not in the Daintree yet.
We are on our way today to Mossman Gorge, which is apparently a very beautiful gorge where you can swim in Mossman. I think it's probably the only thing to do in Mossman.
Hey, Mossman's got plenty of things to do.
It's got a laundrette. We did that yesterday. We went there.
A few charity shops.
Washed our clothes. Oh yeah, charity shops actually. I did go to the charity shop and buy something. Anyway, we're going to Mossman Gorge today. We're going to have a swim because we, again, haven't showered in about 4 days.
Oh, you don't have to tell them that, do you?
Look, I'm being transparent. I'm raw truths.
There's no actual access to drive Mossman Gorge. You have to get a shuttle bus to the top. You have to buy this ticket, $14.50 each. But that's okay.
I think there's no access.
We'd have to double check, but we just assume that is.
Yeah.
Might just be a money meeting thing, but maybe not.
Maybe we've just fallen into
A trap.
a tourist trap. Yeah.
I don't mind. Look,
It's okay.
we're gonna have a good day regardless.
Yeah.
It also says no swimming. Or opening.
But you can, apparently you can.
Yeah, they said they put that sign up all the time to like advise people not to. But there are, like, you still can swim at your own risk, obviously. So, we are here. You've got a couple lookouts at the side here, which we're going to go and see. And then this is like the swimming area, I'm pretty sure, there. And then we've got this big track that goes all around there, what we're going to do as well. So, should be quite a big walk.
Fun-filled day.
Fun-filled, not so far, but it will be.
Yeah.
From now on.
Turning the day around, hopefully.
I think we'll be alright on that.
There's like little tiny children swimming.
They may be good swimmers. I think we'll be okay.
We'll be okay.
Oh, it is a bit wobbly actually. It's a bit scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
You will need sturdy footwear and to be reasonably fit. You always do this. Josie always does this on bloody hikes. It's like you forget we're going hiking.
I didn't even know we were going hiking. I thought we were just going to go for a nice little
Dip in the pool.
trip to the spa.
Trip to the spa at Mossman Gorge, yeah. No, there's a 2.4k hike.
Which
and
is
Josie
fine.
has picked Birkenstocks as her
Hey,
shoe of choice again.
Birkenstocks are pretty sturdy.
Not to mention you nearly twisted your ankle yesterday doing that little hike. So we'll see how you fare on this one, eh? At least it's like tarmac at the moment.
What is it?
Tarmac.
No,
Bitumen.
bitumen.
The track suddenly turned into level 2 track.
Nothing my Birkenstocks can't handle.
So this is the start of the 2 kilometers. I'm gonna go this way. Joking, I'm coming. I'm coming with you. Jose, I'm coming with you. What does that look? It hurt your knee doing that dance.
I'm an old woman now.
Great. I think it's just the Birkenstocks. Level 10 track.
Nothing is a match for the Birkenstocks. Just my knees.
Right, so these leaves are the sort of leaves you get on an IKEA pot plant that are normally plastic.
But we're sealing them. We're seeing them in real life. 4K. Crisp.
4K footage.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, with my iPhone.
Except for my iPhone.
I found a cassowary. This whole boulder is being held up by this poor tree. Doesn't look that strong. It probably is, but it's holding up this thing. Like, I have to like zoom out to get the whole thing. Damn. That poor little tree just there. Just doing a quick water test. Oh. But the Birkenstocks have stayed here.
It's not that cold.
Not that cold? Oh, okay. Nice.
Not as cold as, I think Josephine's was colder.
Ah, so quite warm then.
Found another bonus feature.
Warrnambool Creek.
What? No.
Warrnambool Creek.
Is that a dinosaur?
No, that was some guy knocking one of the trees.
You're meant to be like, they can't see that, James. You're
Oh.
meant to be really elusive, being like, oh my god, I think we've just discovered a new dinosaur species.
No, that was a guy knocking on the trees. And swim in the dangerous waters and see how cold it is.
Yeah, dangerous waters.
Let's go.
They look a really nice colour though, like the green.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
And that feels like sand, but there's actually water. Crazy.
Almost swampy, right?
Watch out for the crocs.
I am a croc. It's a little bit cold.
Cold?
Look at the size of that. That was right next to us when we went in the water. Oh my gosh.
So that swim was definitely cold. Probably not the coldest we've been in, but it was cold. But it was so nice and refreshing. The water was really like fresh, so that was really nice. We are leaving Mossman Gorge now, on our way back to our campsite for the night. So we will see you tomorrow for our next adventure up to Port Douglas. I mean, up to the Daintree. Bye! So, just after that video, a motorbike drove past us and a stone flew out from his tyre and chipped our windscreen.
And it's made a tiny little chip.
Hopefully small enough that we can just get it repaired with some like glass fitter or something. But the other day, which we didn't vlog because it was actually really traumatic,
This is why it makes this so much more annoying.
we actually had to get our whole windscreen replaced, and we spent $430 to get a new windscreen because can I tell them why?
You can tell them why, yeah.
James was carelessly taking the tent poles out of the rooftop tent, and one fell on the windscreen and smashed a very large bit of it. And that was, I think, maybe a week ago. So it's a brand new windscreen, and now we've got another chip in it, which is just probably the most annoying thing.
If you're ever wondering what happens at night in our lives, we sit in a tent with the light on and we play Monopoly Deal. Do you want to explain what Monopoly Deal is?
So Monopoly is a card game.
Yes. So if you haven't played it, you should. Anyway, let's go to sleep so we can go to the forest. What's it called? Daintree. Sorry, I'm tired. Good night.